2014 Dodge Ram 1500 HEMI. Lifted. We got True Dual setup on it. We did the True Duals about 4 years ago. They're still good, but the tailpipes rotted out. So we went ahead and put new tailpipes on it and new tips. Right there. There's the piping. There's the other side. There's the pipe. And it's True Dualed all the way back. Still got the original cats on it. Put a double wall stainless steel tips. Look really nice and sharp on it. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you hear it in a minute. That is loud. I love it. Wow. Dodge Ram 1500 HEMI. HEMI. If you don't have a HEMI, you don't have nothing. Gotta be a V8 to make it sound good. Beautiful truck. Nicely done. There it is. Perfect. And that's how it's done.